bro, I'm being paid the same stuff and the same amount of money. Nah, the cost of living iko juu. That's the point I knew. Nah, I love education, I love the job, but they're not teaching me right. Plan B was always to be an entertainer. Na kwa hiyo plan A ilikuwa to be a rapper. And then I realized I'm not so good rapping. I'm good at talking to people, talking the truth, talking sense, giving opinions that I feel like people should follow. And it happened. Happened hivyo. Happened day 1 nikawaza hivyo, I'm good at talking. Happened day 2. So I'm still at the job. Bado niko Kiambu. Every day nafika 8. Sitaki kudisappoint, I take myself as a good person. Yeah. So every time nafika job I'm like, sifai kuwa hapa. And it's a good job. Ilikuwa at a financial institution. So mimi intern your time. But remember ashanipea hii sasa tunaongelea ni contract ya 3 July. It was 2023 May, then 2024. Then sasa niko Kiambu. This is 2025. So I'm like, nisha decide. I say that's 365 days times 3, man. Kwenye mama alizijui ninakuja ngapi. Nisha decide na nisha chukua plan B. I make decisions first. Yeah. So tunasonga, I'm like, I can't be a rapper, but nataka entertainer. So I'm just looking at streams, everything. I can do this. I'm like, I can do this, Yeah. So ikaendelea tu hivyo mdogo practicing offline. I feel like I'm good. So ikaanza kunisumbua. Mbona niko kwa hii job na sifanyi tena. Feel nafaa kufanya. Sikasoma hivyo for months. I used to wake up sad, man. Sad, excess. I'm like, I'm not supposed to be at this job. Because in my mind, I'm like, I'm one of the best people to work at that institution. I feel like I have values, I have like the knowledge to be the best. But the response they're showing, haiambatani na chenye mimi na feel. I mean, it's been 3 years, Yeah. But I still continued, Kulipwa monthly salary, bro. Yo. It's a thing. Sasa uishi kwa msee, unaishi peke yako. So you have bills, have stuff to do, man. Maybe you have to support someone. So at that point, ukiambia msee you're not comfortable, it makes sense. It's okay, unaacha job na wapi, unapata job na kuna sana job. But I'm like, I feel disrespected. Nikakuwa ni hivyo, so tunasonga every day, waking up, I'm like, let me say a lot of fear. Yenye ifai kuwa. Actually, before nipende the next point, I feel like fear is the foundation of failure. If you feel like you want to do something, ifanye. Yeah, so like time inasonga. Sasa tuko July 2025. Sasa niko premier. Si feel your job at all. Feel your job. but naendelea tu because every month remember lipa. But in my mind I'm like, I'm not working on my dreams, I'm not doing what I love, I'm not going towards my passion, I'm not working on my goals. And I'm that guy to work on everything that I love. So remember, say I have fear because I have to quit a job, that's tapata salo, and then I have this feeling, what am I doing? Because I'm alone, I'm a part of society. Na kila msee naambia feel exactly venye mimi na feel, you know. So ikakuwa ni, it's like tug of war until one day ikafika and I was like, I have to quit. Okay, something happened over the weekend. So I gave myself time to get sober, give myself a Monday. So your shit happened on a weekend. So on a Monday I was like, today sitasema, but sitachukua phone ya msee mwenye alikuwa kutoka job, you know. Yeah, so sikuchukua phone. Then Tuesday kafika, now I'm sober. Bro, kwa shika hii phone hivi when and the words I typed zilikuwa, thank you for everything, I quit. Thank you for everything, I quit. And the person mwenye nitumia hivyo ilikuwa one of the people walinitetea kuingia job. So I felt like, you know, I owe an explanation. Yeah, so I said it. And imagine, okay, just imagine, nikitext kwa tetemeka, like vidole zinatetemeka, nitumia like 10 seconds kuandika hiyo short text. But after nimefinya send, I was like at peace. All of a sudden, no more sadness. So let me start working on what I want to work on, you know. And that was 3 months ago. So I quit like 3 months ago. Yeah. So hiyo time yote imekuwa ya kujipanga, kubuy equipment and everything to start this. This is my first YouTube video. Yeah, and today is 16th of June 2026. Nimetoka quotes game ya Senegal, France. Niko sad, you Africans wame lose. Yeah, but anyway. So in my mind I'm like, because I quit, I just need to, you know, take the resignation letters, nini, wanipe pesa yangu, you know, some savings nilikuwa nazo huko. So ndo nianze kustart my stuff, you know. So kufika naambiwa, oh, it happened hivi, unafaa ku clear. I'm like, yo, kuna more than 8 branches. Then wananiambia, unahitaji tu ku clear na head of departments. I'm like, whoa. At this time, tukibonga hivi, nikipewa hiyo story, ujua sleepy. So I don't have a way to survive. So I'm just surviving. Siwezi rudi home. You know, nimejiaminia, so siwezi rudi home. Ni mimi nimeplan, mimi nimefanya hiyo stuff. Yeah. That process took like 2 weeks. 2.5, 3 weeks. That's a month to clear. Because you need to see the department heads. I need to go back to branch and tell them I quit, so they need to clear me. But nikafanya hivyo. And for sure, I got my savings. And now I'm here. First YouTube video, bro. Say ndiko joke inakaa man, like ile inakaa. Financially it's not great, but you got a peace of mind. Siko sad na niko 2025. I had something at the end of every month, but sai niko na peace of mind, like I'm doing what I want to do. I'm focusing, I'm working on my goals. Yeah. Na nikatoka Kiambu. Your time, nikahama, go back to my home country, which is Murang'a. So saying Murang'a, recording this video. Yeah. Feels good, man. Feels good. Work on your dreams, man. Work on your dreams, bro.